Good morning, Matej. Can you please take out your book to page...
It's Friday. Can we do something else today? Like anything?
Like what, Matej?
I don't know. Play some game?
Well, I suppose that's the only way you pay attention in class. Now, what Matej here doesn't know is that I was prepared for this question. Week after week, all he wants to do is just play games. So I have a game for him. I have gamification.
Mr. Henry, who are you talking to?
Nobody. Wait a second. So.
ClassCraft is a functional tool not only for learning but also for evaluation and self-evaluation.